I hope you're staying safe and healthy and sane while you're at home doing all the school stuff. I have gotten a lot of questions about the procedure and data section of the reaction rates lab report, partly because a lot of you don't have data, either because you didn't do the experiment or because you didn't bring your binder home or you don't have the data for some reason. Anyway, I just uploaded a data table for anybody to use if they do not have their own data. So please use that if there's any problem with it at all. I'm not gonna check and see if you didn't have it. If you want to use it, go ahead and use it. If you have your own data, I'd recommend using that because it's always better to use your own measurements. Okay, so let me show you really quickly what you need to do. For most of you, if you did the experiment, it's going to be pretty straightforward. Just follow the instructions. Let me bring those up. You need to add detail. I've given the original procedure here in the procedure and data table instructions. You just need to add detail to it, like make sure you list the specific things that you use, like the syringes to measure the solution, and the timer on the stopwatch function on your phone, like just the details of exactly what you use, so somebody could do, exactly the same thing that you did, and follow these directions in writing your procedure, and then make a table and put all the data in, either your own or from the data table I gave you. Here's the data table I gave you. You need to put all of this information in a table. I'm trying to find my way back. Still trying to figure all this out. And here's the document I gave you. Make a copy of this. I think it's still not making a copy for everybody. I got to figure out why that setting's not working for me. But please make a copy of this, and then you're just going to need to add rows to this data table and put all of that, all of your data or the stuff that I gave you in it. If you are in third period and you did not do the experiment, then you'll be using all the times and the data that I gave you, and you can just use the procedure exactly the way it is in those instructions. Just copy that and put it here, because you have to have a procedure. You're just going to use the one I gave you. If you want to add in syringes or whatever, feel free, but you can just use it exactly the way it is. Please let me know if you have any questions. I am adding office hours at 4 today because I saw that a lot of people are saying that all of our office hours are kind of early, which makes sense. People are sleeping in. And I will try to make my office hours later next week. Okay, so send me an email, put comments in Google Classroom. Please let me know if you haven't turned anything in, what's going on, because I need to start putting grades in. And take care of yourself, do great things. I'll keep posting videos.